Hello again. Today I will show you, I think, something very useful: how to repair your Christmas lights. First, I have to explain how the Christmas lights work. At this point here that I have this fuse used to be the controller. Unfortunately, I broke it anyway. So what we have two lines here of Christmas lights. The first, third, fifth, and so on, they light up all together, and then the second, fourth, sixth, and so on light up separately. That's why we have one cable goes from the first lamp to the fuse, and then the edge of the second lamp goes also to the fuse, and then the third cable, this one, goes to the end of both lines and comes back on the other side of each lamp, of its line, excuse me. So the current goes to the first one, then to the second, the first, the third, the fifth, and the same way on the second, fourth, sixth, and so on. In case we have any one of them, any cable broken, that means that not even the first one lights up, because it doesn't make a circuit with the neutral wire. But if any lamp is just burned, then it works okay. In this case, I have a cut-off cable in one lamp, and this is how you can fix it. I use a fluke voltage tester most of the times, that when we have the presence of voltage phase actually lights up and makes sound. I will show you in a while. So what I'm gonna do, I will make sure that on each lamp, the first and the second, I have the phase on the one edge. So the third cable is gonna be the neutral. I already did that. So I turn them on, and as far as you can see, I have the first and the third and the fifth that they don't light up, and that's why. That means that somewhere is a cable cut. If you test the lamp here that lights up, you can see we have the presence of voltage, as well as on this one, and then on the third too. So I'm gonna try every single one to find out where I have the phase missing. This way. I already did that, and I know where the problem is, but I will just show you where it is. Okay, so I have here as well, here as well, hold on, here as well, but I don't have the phase on this one. So that means that here the cable is broken, cut, and I made some kind of operation. First I have to make sure I turn them off, and then wait. Okay, so this one was the broken one. This is it. So what we can do is two things. We can either put a new lamp here at this point, or we can connect, in case we have just one broken, we can connect those two cables together, and so that the current will go through to the next lamp. What I'm gonna do is I will connect those two wires. Okay, so I connected the two wires here, and then we will put this insulating tube. You can use insulating tape instead. Okay, this is the final result. Now I will turn them on and see what's gonna happen. Ta-da! All of them working. So you may have more than one broken. That's the same way. That's what you're gonna do. Or maybe none of them is working, so that means that you have a broken cable on each line. Okay, thank you very much for watching.